Welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'd like to show a small TEMU order. I have an order that half I received a couple days ago. One of them is an old one. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So just to let you all know, I am a TEMU affiliate. So that's where a lot of my paintings come from, TEMU, because I purchase a lot of paintings from TEMU. There are some other items, don't get me wrong, but I really love their paintings. So majority of my videos, it's always TEMU paintings. Every now and then I do pick up something extra, but mostly it's paintings. And as you see, probably a code right about here that you can use for any time you wish to purchase your TEMU. It's my affiliate code. So if you ever want to do an order and you enter the code, I get a small little commission and some seeding money that leads towards to a campaign that TEMU will have that I'm able to present to all of you if I hit the requirement of the seeding money amount. And as well, if you use that code for any new user to TEMU, for the app or just the website itself, there is around a $200 coupon bundle that can be offered to you. You can use it for any orders that you wish to do. If you're a returning user as well, there are some 30% discount and other discounts and lightning deals that they're offering. TEMU always is having sales on their website, so you can use that code to kind of show what other kind of coupons can be under my affiliation. Oh, and as well, I also have some items picked out that they're majority of diamond paintings and diamond painting accessories. So if there's any that you do like, if you see any of that listing as well, any of those that you purchase, a small commission and seeding money come back to me as well. And I love all paintings. And so without further ado, let's get to the paintings. So the first painting I want to show, I know we're in July now, but I really love fall colors, that kind of aspect. So I have a lot of fall paintings. And it's not just with pumpkins and all that, it's more the coloring that's really nice, that make me think of fall. More the earthy tones, the oranges and all of that. So I have a lot of paintings in that color aspect. So I always take the paintings out of the plastic covering just so you don't all hear the crinkly noise of when I'm removing it. So this is pretty much how the paintings come. They're always rolled up. You just open them, furling them out, and it always comes with a standard kit and the diamonds. Now, in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always a tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is have the pen, press it on the wax, press it on the diamonds that you would pour on the tray that helps separate them, and then you would press it on the painting, and voila, you have officially started diamond painting. In case you lose it, or in case it's broken, don't worry, your next painting will have one as well. And these are the diamonds, and oh my goodness, I really love these colors. As you can see, really fall earthy tones, really dark oranges, a nice soft orange you see it in the back, some more dark oranges, and some browns. And it really, as I said, it makes me think of fall. I really love these colors. And this is the painting, and it's a poppy field. So as you can see, the nice kind of sunset, the little walkway, and all the flowers on the side. I really love poppy flowers. So when I saw this painting, I knew I had to have it. I just really loved it. And I love the little soft sepia tone there is on the painting. Kind of goes when the sun is setting, and it kind of gives that nice soft orange glow. This painting reminded me of that. I'm a big fan of it. And so some information about the painting. It is CZ300, and it is a 20 by 30, and it is 15 colors. And luckily the legend is all capital letters. So whoo, I love when they do that. They don't have random numbers or random symbols. As you can see, they're all capital letters, and that makes it real easy whenever you're going to start the painting, and makes it more clearly when you can see a little better. I'm going to fix the lighting a bit because I think it's a little dark, and there we go, that's a little better. And yeah, I really love that. And as for this image, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it a little bit more clearly. Give a feel the poppies of your style as well. Let me put this aside real quick. And let me get the next painting. So the next painting, if y'all are familiar with the channel, I love flowers. I love teacups, I love snow, I love a lot of things. Mostly flowers. So a lot of my paintings have flowers in them. I'm just a big fan of them, and I love how they look in diamond paintings. So you'll see it in a moment. And as well, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Same thing, earthy tone, as I said, really fall colors. I really love that orange color. And ooh, random white here. A really large packet of white. I don't mind. I save my diamonds, so I have a lot of white, and I always need it for something, so I have no problems with that. Some more earthy colors. You can see a little orange hidden here in the middle. I really like when they do that. And this is the painting. And it's just a little pot of flowers. And they're really kind of fallish to me, the colors. They're really orangey. There's like, I believe it's like orange at the bottom. As you can see, a little orange fruit at the bottom. I love that. The little falling leaves, the little foliage, and the white background that kind of helps bring out the really, really dark colors. I really like this painting, and this painting is my old one. As I said, I had an old painting, so I kind of didn't remember it till I was pulling it out to present to y'all. I saw it and I remembered, oh yeah, the little basket of orange flowers. They kind of look like pansies to me a little bit, but I'm not too sure of the flower. But I really, really love this image. I think I'll kit this up next on the side, since I'm working on 2 large paintings. So I kind of want a small one on the side so I can be bouncing, keep my attention, so I don't get bored. I'm just doing one painting. And some information about the painting. It is S108 and it is 20 by 20 and it's 15 colors. And as well, the legend is all capital letters. Oh my goodness, I love it. As I said, I love when they're all the same. No numbers mixed up, no symbols. It's all easy peasy, and you just have to worry about whatever letter you're going to work on. Just look at the legend, you're good to go. Ooh, I really, really like these. And as well, I'll make sure to put a picture here in the middle of the screen so you can see the painting more clearly. With a nice little pot of flowers. There's more your way. And for the last painting. So as I said, we're in July. So I need July looking painting. And when I saw this one, I fell in love with it. And if you're in America, you know 4th of July is coming up. So I knew I needed something really festive, really 4th of July-ish. So I saw this painting. It actually, TEMU recommended it to me. I wasn't searching, ooh, let me look now. It was one of the first ones I saw. I was like, ooh, it's a sign. I need to pick it up. And as I said, standard kit. They always find you, no matter what. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I love that dark red. And there's a black, dark gray here. A soft kind of brown. And also some more grays. Wonderful teal color. There's a blue in the middle and a couple more reds. Oh my goodness, I really love these colors. And this is the image. So it's the American flag with fireworks. And it just screams 4th of July for me. Really patriotic. And I really, really loved this image when I first saw it. So thank you, TEMU, for for presenting this painting to me. As I said, it was one of the options that first popped out. If you've ever been to the TEMU app or the website, it gives you a listing, especially of items you're always searching for. For me, it's always diamond paintings. So it always gives me a listing of all diamond paintings it believes I might like. This one appeared and oh my goodness, I just fell in love with it. And honestly, I do not have a lot of paintings that have kind of patriotic kind of decals or anything. Shame on me. I should have some more. So I was so excited when I saw this. And I actually seen some other diamond painters actually complete this painting. And this painting is being offered through different sites. But since I usually shop my paintings on TEMU, I was so happy that this painting was there as well. And some information about the painting. It is YM012 and is a 30 by 40 and is 17 colors. And woo, it's all capital letters. Sorry, I forgot what the word was. As you can see here in the legend. Oh my goodness. As I said, I love when they're all the same symbol. And a 30 by 40. I actually forgot it was 30 by 40. I thought it was a 30-30. Now, when I opened the painting, I saw it was a 30-40. But it's such a pretty image. I'm just super happy that it's a 30 by 40. So I'm excited to work on this. And this one as well, I'll make sure to do a kit up video for this painting because I am planning to complete it in July. Makes sense for 4th of July. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. If a nice, wonderful fireworks and the flag is more your style. So that is all I have today. I just wanted to show, mostly I wanted to make sure to show this painting because since I am going to start it up. And as I said, I'll make sure to put a kit up video so you can see it. If maybe it's a painting you might be interested in. And for all these paintings as well, I'll make sure to put the information below in the description if in case there's any kind of painting you'd like to purchase for yourself. And again, for any returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps out the channel, really helps out for me to be put out in the algorithm so more people can catch all of these wonderful paintings. And so if there's anything they'd be interested in purchasing for themselves. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.